Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to install the IIS server and SSL certificate as well. First of all, I have to mount the ISO file of OS. Open the server manager. Click next, next, next. Select the web server IIS. This .NET and ASP .NET feature required for IIS server. So next, this is the default feature for IIS. You can customize here as per your requirement. I'm selecting the features as per standard requirement. FTP is not required, but I am selecting FTP for my next tutorial. You can skip it. So this is the summary of overall features. Now I have to specify the alternative source path, otherwise installation will fail. This is my ISO file and this is the alternative source path. Just copy the path and specify here. So installation started and it will take some time. So installation success. Here you can see it. Now I will open the IIS server. This is the IIS server. This is the default path, default port of IIS server. Now I will install SSL certificate for my web server. Select the local machine. Next, default selection and your password. Next, so SSL certificate installation complete. I will add new port and select my SSL certificate. This is, and I'll delete this default port because default port is not secure for web server, and restart the web service. So that's all for IIS server installation. Hopefully you can install it without error, and thanks for watching. Bye.